Welcome back to Stratifyx, your platform for ecological intelligence and smart land use decisions. Now that you're logged in and have created your first project, let's walk through the basic tools you'll use to explore, analyze, and collaborate on your project. Here in the Project tab, you can instantly access your personal projects, projects shared with your team, and even projects across multiple organizations, seamlessly organized and easy to manage. Whether you're working within your own firm or alongside external partners, everyone stays aligned in a single workspace. Creating, renaming, and deleting projects is simple, designed to keep your workflow smooth and intuitive. When you're ready to collaborate, just click Share Project. Invite teammates or partner organizations, assign access levels, and start working together in real time within a shared project environment. In the Areas of Interest, or AOI tab, we can easily manage project areas within your portfolio. As you can see here, we have several AOIs tied to our Steamboat Springs portfolio. Each AOI represents a distinct project area, making it easy to organize and navigate your work. There are multiple ways to add and edit AOIs, giving you flexibility based on how your projects evolve. And don't worry if this is moving a little bit quickly. We'll have additional demos that walk through AOI creation and editing in more detail. When you select an AOI, simply click the eye icon to zoom directly to its location on the map. No more panning around or searching manually. Just below the Project and AOI tab, you'll see the section labeled Highest and Best Value, along with the Scenario tab. This may be currently disabled as it is in my case. The HPV and scenario tools allow you to select management practices and compare potential outcomes, helping you decide which restoration or conservation strategies offer the greatest ecological and economic return for your project. We'll dive deeper into scenario planning in an upcoming demo, so stay tuned. Let's take a quick look at some of the other basic features available on the map interface. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the Base Map tab. Stratifyx offers a variety of base maps, so you can choose the one that best fits your project's focus, whether that's topography, satellite imagery, or street level context. Just below that is the Layers tab. We've pre-populated it with a few layers for this demo, so we can quickly walk through some of the core functionality. Let's go ahead and turn on a few portfolio layers, like the mask and watershed boundary. As you can see, once these layers are toggled on, indicated by the checked boxes, our project boundary and mask clearly appear, making it easy to find and visualize the extent of our study area. This is a fast and intuitive way to contextualize your project on the map, a key step in every analysis. Just below the Layers tab, you'll find the Layer Library, a comprehensive collection of all spatial layers available on the Stratifyx platform. Layers are organized into functional groups, which you can browse on the left side of the Layer Library menu. Each group contains a diverse set of datasets relevant to different land management, ecological, or economic planning needs. Adding or removing layers is simple. Click the plus icon to add a layer to your project. Click the minus icon to remove it from an active layer list. Once added, the layer will appear at the top of your Layers tab, where you can select it, reorder it beneath or above other layers, or remove it entirely by clicking the red X. The Layer Library makes it easy to customize your view and tailor your analysis to fit your project goals. Let's continue exploring some of the basics on the main interface. To quickly navigate to a specific location, use the search bar located in the lower left-hand corner of the map screen. I'll go ahead and type in Fort Collins. And just like that, the map zooms directly to the area. It's a fast and easy way to explore new regions or jump to a specific project site without manually panning across the map. If we want to return to our Steamboat Springs AOI, we can simply click the eye icon in the AOI tab, and just like that, we're brought straight back to the location on the map. You can easily switch between different AOI groups you've created. For example, let's select our City-Owned Parcels group. Stratifyx makes it effortless to jump between project areas and keep your work organized across multiple locations and land types. At the top of your screen, you'll find the Feedback tab. Simply click it and type any comments, questions, or concerns directly into the box provided. We encourage you to be generous with the feedback. It plays a vital role in helping us improve the platform and deliver a better user experience tailored to your needs. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll find the Parcel Search tool. This is where you can search for parcels that align with your project's specific needs. Let's run a quick example. We'll search for parcels larger than 10 acres that are also owned by the city. There are many other powerful ways to filter and refine your parcel search, and we'll explore those features in more depth in upcoming demos. As you can see, Stratifyx returns a list of parcels that match our criteria. You can review the results both in the map and in the list view. To take a closer look at any parcel, just click the eye icon next to it in the list. The map will automatically zoom to its location. Let's briefly cover a few final tools available on the main interface. The Measure tool allows you to quickly calculate distances directly on the map, a handy feature for fast spatial analysis. You can enable location permissions and use the Location button to instantly center the map on your current location. For a more dynamic view, click the 3D button in the Base Map tab, then hold the right click and drag to explore your map in 3D. To snap back to the original orientation, just click the Orient button, located directly beneath the Location button, and this brings you back to your original view. And finally, you can print your current map view. Whether you're heading into the field or sharing insights into a brainstorming session, these tools add more flexibility and functionality to your experience. Using the Identify feature, you can click anywhere on the map to instantly view detailed data associated with that location. When you click, a tab appears showing a snapshot of both AOI attributes and relevant layer data for that specific point. In this example, we can see information like landscape diversity and percent clay, pulled directly from the layers that we've added. That wraps up our introduction to the basic Stratifyx interface. Stay tuned for upcoming demos where we'll take a deeper dive into each of these functions.